Hi Wooga, my name is Jack and I am a freelancing graphic designer, illustrator, and a photo compositor based in Los Angeles, California.
For the June's Journey Talent Contest this 2023, my entry is two-part. I physically created a printed t-shirt of a moody photorealistic portrait I painted of my two favorite characters, June and Jack, as fan merchandise. And I created concepts for other fun fan merch that could look cool if made to celebrate playing this wonderful mobile game. When the pandemic began in 2020, I had to cancel 3 international trips around the world. Not knowing when it would end, I found June's Journey on an ad through Facebook, and 3 years later, I'm still playing this amazing game. I love the cleverness of a detective female main character brought to life by both detailed artistry as well as a compelling mystery story. And of course, traveling the globe via gameplay. Since June and Jack come from affluent families, I decided to put them in a mansion with dramatic lighting on both the scene and their faces. Here's the process of me actually creating the shirt using transfer paper. This was my first time trying this method out, and I'm really glad that it worked. I also decided to put the June's Journey logo on the back of the neck area. It would be really cool to have a little purple Wooga collaboration tag on the inside of the shirt too. Here are my other concepts that I think would look super cool with artwork inspired by June's Journey. This mysteriously inviting portrait can be printed to hang on the mantle of a fancy fireplace. It could be a smaller frame that you have on your study, made into a cover of a new sketchbook, or printed onto different fabrics as fan merch. These shoes were super tricky to Photoshop, but I'm really proud of them and would totally wear these on a day-to-day basis.
Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to hear from you guys again soon. Bye for now.